What's up guys, my name is Sardar and you are watching Best For You channels. In this video I'm talking about how to recover delete photos in Android phone. So let's start as friend. First of all, open Play Store and type here Dagger Photo Recovery. I have already downloaded and you can download from Play Store, and I want to open it. Start basic photo scans. Just click on this. The scan is started. Here is my all photos. Last week I deleted that. If you want to recover it, just select which one do you want, your choice, and click on recovery. Here is click on recovery. So how would you like to recover the file? Save the file to a custom location on your device. You will need to find the files yourself. Your choice where is uploaded the files to an FTP. Recommend save the files to app on your device such as email, Dropbox. Your choice where do you want to save it. That's a cool app and try it. You will recover your all photos. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching friends. If you really like, don't forget comment, subscribe and like. For more latest update video, subscribe my channel Best For You. Thanks for watching.